Regardless of how challenging the times are, lean on the grace of God to ensure that the words you speak are in your favor. Don't be deceived. Your challenges are not peculiar. Everyone goes through challenges at different seasons of their lives. The truth we often forget is that times change. God is the only factor of life that remains the same forever. Don't waste your prayers with negative words. Keep speaking what you want to see. No soil ever looks like the tree it can produce in the planting stage. Even farmers need to exercise faith to reap the harvest of their planting. When you sow good seeds of words of faith, you will reap the harvest of the words you have sown when the times change. Trusting in a God who has to cater to over 8 billion people in the world seems like a huge responsibility. But trust me, God's capacity is not ruffled. He sees you, He hears you, and He knows you by name. He'll come through for you. Your dusk will give way for dawn. God is never late. He controls times and seasons. The moment he says it is Dominino Elevation o'clock, trust me, it is. All people, processes, systems, strategies, plans, and policies know too well to align. They all have ears and they dare not disobey the one for whom all things were created. Sow words of what you want your reality to be. Sow positive effort in the earth of what you desire. While the earth remaineth, seed time and harvest shall never cease. Genesis 8, verse 22.